Hey folks, Tuesday morning, we're getting today started after a day yesterday where we saw the markets finish in the red, breaking that 5-day win streak. We're seeing some green as we head into today's open. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, all trading higher. Now yesterday, the catalyst for that volatile session and the move lower was Fed Chairman Jerome Powell coming out yesterday and saying that inflation is definitely a problem and the Fed, if needed, could act much more aggressively than anticipated. So you've got a lot of traders right now starting to price in further rate hikes, more aggressive rate hikes, thinking a 50 basis point move could be coming as early as May or June. So seeing markets yesterday trade to the downside on that news. We've since recovered. Again, trading higher this morning. Dow Jones up 140, S&P's up 12, Nasdaq up 16. What are we seeing in some of the other markets? FX, we were seeing some dollar strength off those comments by Fed Chairman Powell. We've since seen the dollar pull back a bit. We've pretty much flatlined this morning, so a relatively quiet session. Over in crude oil, everything going on in Ukraine and Russia has been fairly quiet over the past, let's call it 12 hours. Right now, crude oil sitting at $112 a barrel, WTI sitting at $112 a barrel, which is pretty much flat on today. But again, a lot of news, a lot of discussions around potential peace talks coming out of Ukraine and Russia. What impact could that have on the oil market? What impact could that have on the stock market? Seems like right now, a lot of what's going on, at least with the current volatility over the past 24 hours, is around inflation. However, let's not lose sight of everything that's going on in the East. So that said, could be another busy Tuesday. It's going to be a light week, again, as we discussed yesterday on the data front, but certainly there's a lot of potential risk catalyst out there to trade. So everybody get in there today, trade some price action. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you again tomorrow.